Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. I am going to start the second question of chapter exercise 1.12, general maths class 10. Before I am starting the discussion, I would like to request all of you to please subscribe and like my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So this is the question, second question, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. So again, you start with the same thing. Let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. So we know rational number can be written in the form of a by b. So 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a by b I have written. So 2 root 5 can be written as a by b, and this 3 will come in this side. So minus 3. I have taken LCM here. LCM will be b. Oh, sorry. We can write here you see 2 root b, 2 root 5 is given. So I have written here root 5. So this 2 will come here. So 2b will be there. Before that, I have actually taken LCM b. So when b is taken LCM, it is a minus 3b. Now when I have written root 5, it should be 2 here. So a minus 3b by 2b. So here you see a and b are all are integers. So the calculation of integer is again a rational number. A minus 2b, a minus 2 3b by 2b is again rational number because it is in the form of a by b. But we know that root 5 is irrational number because we have proved root 2 is an irrational number, root 3 is an irrational number. In the question number 1, we have proved root 5 is an irrational number. So if root 5 is here, is this side is irrational and this side is rational. So it is never occurs if it is rational, it is also rational. If the left side is irrational, right side is irrational. But we have here proved root 5 is irrational, but this side is rational. So this it means this contradiction is arise. This side irrational, this side rational. This is the contradiction is arise because our incorrect assumption. What we have considered here, root 5, 3 plus root 5 is rational. That was wrong. So it is proved wrong. Therefore, you write 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay. Next question. This is question number 3, and this is the first one of question number 3. Prove that 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. So here also you consider, let us assume that 1 by root 2 is irrational. So 1 by root 2 can be written as a by b, where a and b are integers having no common factor. So after cross multiplication, you see we can write root 2 equal to b by a. So it is just reverse. Root 2 is taken in the above, b is gone above, a comes below. So here b and a are integers. B by a is a rational number, and uh, so root 2 is also irrational. You say this side is irrational, this side is rational. So this is a contradiction. Why this contradiction arises? Because our incorrect assumption, whatever we have considered 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Huh? That was the incorrect assumption. So our assumption was wrong. Therefore, you write 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Okay. This is the first question of number 3. Now we have to, this is the second question. Prove that 7 root 5 is an irrational number. You see, these are statement type of maths. So it may be quite difficult for the students. So only possible if you write it several times. If you write it several times, then you can see after some times you can understand all the things, or you can remember all the things, and the design of writing should be remembered. Nothing more. The calculation is very easy thing here, but the system, whatever we have written here, that is the critical. So if you write it sometimes, it will be very easy. So again, here we have considered it is rational. So rational can be written as a by b, where a and b are integers and have no common factor other than 1. So after cross multiplication, we can write a equal to 7 into root 5b. Therefore, root 5 can be written as a by 7b. Here you see this side is irrational, and a and b, calculation of A and B's are always rational. So here you see A, 7 and B are integers, so A by 7B is a rational number. This means that root 5 is irrational number. Sorry, if A plus 7, A by 7B is rational, it means this is also rational. But we know root 5 is irrational. That is the contradiction. So you write, but this contradiction, the fact that root 5 is irrational, so our assumption was wrong. So you write, uh, 7 by root 5 is irrational number. Okay. Now question number 3. 3 of 3. Another question, prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. Very easy thing. Again, you consider it is rational, and therefore it can be written as A by B form. A and B are integers. You remember, since we have written this in the rational form, it means there is no common factor of A and B. That is, A and B cannot be divisible by any other number except 1. So I have written root 2 equal to A by B. 6 will be going that side. So B LCM A minus 6B. Here you see A, B and C, 6. These are all integers. So this side is rational. If this side is rational, it means root 2 is also rational. Is root 2 rational? No, we have seen root 2 is irrational number. So this is our assumption. Whatever you see, this is the contradiction. This contradiction came because we have considered that it is rational number. So this means that root 2 is also a rational number, but this contradiction, the fact that root 2 is irrational, so our assumption was wrong. So you write 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Okay. So we have completed 1, 2 and 3. These are the things which is important for examination. Any one of them will come. So if you write them several times, you can easily grasp the mathematics. Okay, thank you. Good night.